My name's Griffith Gryga, and I am managing partner of Dreamit Ventures.
My name is John Frankel, founder and partner of FF Venture Capital in New York City.
My name is Huang, so I'm managing partner of the Hatchery.
One of the questions from the audience was, it seems like fundraising is much easier today than it has been historically. And so my response to that was this: fundraising is never easy. However, for those entrepreneurs that do have an easier fundraising exercise, they've done this. Number one, for their business and the concept, they've gone out to the market and they've seek validation and data on their business. So it's important in your business to have momentum. And you can have momentum no matter what stage you're in, be it early stage or growth. And by early stage, the data is, what's the product market fit? What's the business model? What's the target customer? The other thing that these entrepreneurs has done is they've taken the time to build relationships with investors. So there's an age-old adage in the venture industry that when you go out seeking capital, you often get advice. But when you go seeking advice, you get capital. So as entrepreneurs, it's important to spend time building relationships before you need the capital, so that when it's time to raise capital, you have existing relationships to go to.
I think if you look at the statistics in any given year, about $35 billion invested by venture capital firms in about 3,000 companies. About $25 billion is invested by angels and sort of very small VC firms in about 72,000 companies. But probably something close to about 180 billion is invested in all these other startups that aren't really looking for the type of capital venture capital firms are looking for. A lot of people are starting a local restaurant, who are starting a winery, who are starting businesses which are not necessarily the types of business that warrant or are a good fit for venture capital. So if you're looking for a bank loan, they're often looking for cash flow. You have an existing business, it's cash flowing nicely. Bank loan and some of the mezzanine debt markets are much more appropriate. If you're looking to start a business that you think can be very disruptive, if you think of starting a business that you think can be change the behavior of millions of people, then you want to look at something where you can use venture capital and bring on effectively equity partners to invest their time and energy alongside their capital with you.
Our organization's all over the internet. We're very easy to find. Just shoot us an email. I'm even happy to help brainstorm with you. But what you need to do to get ready, be an expert in something and make sure that I know that you're that expert. 10, 20 years experience in finance, in creativity, in fashion, whatever it is, be the expert so that you know more about it than I do. If I know more about it than you do, game over. The next thing, come up with an idea that we can work on together. Don't make me come up with it. So come up with an idea, maybe get a couple of other experts together so we can actually move this along further. And if you have created the product, even better, come talk to me. If you haven't, talk to me anyway. Maybe I can get that off the ground with you.